Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the BestOffice Big and Tall Office Chair. Designed to support up to 400 pounds with its sturdy commercial-grade components and unique, comfortable design. This ergonomic chair is perfect for those who need a little extra room and support, featuring an extra thickly cushioned seat and high back to ensure maximum comfort during long hours at your desk. With easy assembly in just 10 to 30 minutes, you'll be set up and ready to enjoy the 360-degree swivel and smooth rolling nylon casters that provide great stability and mobility. The chair's adjustable features include a height-adjustable position, two padded armrests, and a backrest that can be tailored to your needs, along with lumbar support to help reduce back pressure and maintain the natural curve of your spine. We stand by the quality of this chair, and while it's affordable, it doesn't skimp on quality materials, ensuring you get the best experience. If you have any concerns, our customer service team is ready to assist you, guaranteeing satisfaction with your new executive chair. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.